Assalamu alaikum. Hi, I am UUM Buddy. Welcome to Sintok at UUM tutorial video. Here I will show you how to enroll yourself into a course. First, please log in to sintok.uum.edu.my to access the main page of Sintok at UUM. Then, to the top right corner of the main page, click on the search icon. Once you are prompted, search for the course that you enroll. Once you find your desired course, click the course page, then click Enroll Me button. Now you have successfully enrolled the course. If you were mistakenly joined any course, you can unenroll yourself from the course by click the Option button on the bottom left corner on the course page. Click the Unenroll Me, then you are completely unenrolled from the course. That's all for enrollment tutorial. See you in the next video.